This is your Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Brian Neudorff.
Well, it is that time of year with the spring. Now, it's been chilly. I just did the numbers. And over the last 10 days, going back to the 13th, we've had 2 days above average, and we've averaged about 6 degrees below average when you combine both the high and the low for those particular days. As you look here at our healthy living forecast, the air quality type thing, pollen high, that's the juniper, ash, birch, maple, just to name a few of the top 4 high amounts there. Mold in the moderate category, but UV index also going to be high. So if you're going to be doing outdoor work over the next few days, make sure you have some sunscreen to protect yourself from the UV rays. It's that time of year as we're getting more and more sunshine. Now, with the cloud cover overhead, we're at 46 degrees in Twin Falls, Stanley, 31, 50 in Burns, Elko there at 48. We're still holding on to those cool temperatures, but that's going to be short-lived. High pressure was going to inch through here, inch by. Warmer temperatures are going to be able to work in here, and we're going to start to see these temperatures getting close to 70 and surpassing that for the end of the week and the weekend. Satellite and radar, little weak system there. You can see most of the clouds now just to our south, just to the north. Well, things are beginning to dry out, and that's a good sign. Our air is extremely dry. I was looking at some of the dew point temperatures, and they're in the single digits. Our relative humidity is only in the teens here across southern Idaho, so definitely have the dry air in place as these just high clouds just pass on by. A little bit better temperature-wise. We were the 55 for both the last 2 days, which is still 7 degrees below average. We'll get back to the 60s. And the way I see things, 63 degrees for a high temperature for Twin Falls, 61, 62 for Jerome. That's what I'm going with. And maybe even 60 degrees for the Burley area. Then as we head into your Thursday, we get a little bit warmer there. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised, upper 60s as we go throughout the day Thursday. We keep getting better over the next few days, and we're going to see lots in the way of sunshine. Now, the winds, though, I think they're going to pick up. Now, tomorrow, not a bad day. Light, variable winds across southern Idaho. 6 miles an hour, Jerome, 5 miles an hour. You see they're either coming out of this is what I mean by variable. They're all going all different directions, but the winds are going to be light. Then, though, it picks up a little bit going into Thursday, a little bit out of the west, northwest, 10 to 20, but not like what we had over the weekend and what we saw on Monday. So at least less winds, but still, with temperatures getting the upper 70s, or excuse me, upper 60s to mid 70s, there we go. Things are looking pretty good. But pattern change for the weekend. Now, we're going to be warmer, but really this is significant here throughout parts of the Dakotas as winter weather finally comes to an end for them. And they got snow on the ground for a lot of those places. That's why flooding is a big concern in parts of the Dakotas. So tonight, partly cloudy to mostly clear, 22 degrees, clearing out for the Magic Valley by morning down to about 28. And the Minnecasia area, 27, partly cloudy to mostly clear. Your Wood River forecast, sunny skies, nice and mild, 54 Sun Valley. Carry there at 57. As we head into the western Magic Valley, a lot more 60s there on the map, but 58 degrees shown as we look across Twin Falls County. 56 Jackpot, but Twin Falls 63, 60 Murtaugh. And then as we head into the Minnecasia area, right around 60, 55 from Albion, 54 Malta, but it's definitely going to be warmer than what we had for today. Here's a look at the all-season 7-day forecast for the Magic Valley. Looks like we hit the jackpot there. As you can see, there are lots of sunshine across the board. 75 degrees on Saturday, 68 degrees Sunday, and if you've been waiting patiently, you finally got your wish. And then as you look at the mountains, too, if you don't want to be here and you want to go up a little higher, it's still going to be nice. Friday, Saturday, looking at 68 degrees, and the nice weather continues from now all the way into the early part of next week. There's a look at your forecast.